Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of 6th problem from NCERT exercise 8.1 from quadrilaterals chapter class 9. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Show that it bisects angle C also, and second one ABCD is a rhombus. So here if the parallelogram has the diagonal bisects angle A and angle C, then it is a rhombus. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means we know that opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. So here AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC, and AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. And here angle DAC is equal to angle BAC because diagonal AC bisects angle A. These two angles are equal, and here we have to prove that the first one AC bisects angle C. That means we have to prove that these two angles are equal. So angle DCA is equal to angle BCA, and second one we have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. So here already this is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, but in rhombus we know that all sides are equal, so we have to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. First one we have to prove that these two angles are equal. So angle DCA is equal to angle BCA. These two angles we have to prove that equal. So first observe here AB is parallel to DC and AC is a transversal line. And if you observe these two angles are alternative interior angles. These two angles are equal because if a transversal line intersects two parallel lines, then alternative interior angles are equal. And again AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal line. So these two angles are alternative interior angles, those are equal. So angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. So just observe these two figures. These are the alternative interior angles and here these two are the alternative interior angles. And again angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. These two angles are equal because AC bisects angle A, that is given in the problem. So these two angles are equal. If you observe here, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, again these two angles are equal, so we can equal these two angles. So angle DCA is equal to angle BCA. So these two angles are equal, that means AC bisects angle C. Now we have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus, that means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So first we have to prove that AB is equal to BC. So these two sides are sides of this triangle. So take these two angles. If these angles are equal, then we can equal these two sides. So first take angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. These two are alternative interior angles. I have already told in the first question. So these two angles are equal. And again angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. This is given because AC bisects angle A. These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So we can equal these two angles. Angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. So from this triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. So AB is equal to BC because opposite sides of equal angles are equal. So AB is equal to BC. Similarly, if you take this triangle, we can equal AD is equal to DC. And we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So right here, so AB is equal to BC, AD is equal to DC. Again AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. So we can equal AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That is ABCD is a rhombus. Now please do this exercise. And you can check the answers.